Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Rosita. Today I am unboxing this package that I got from Temu. It is supposed to be some decorative faucets that I ordered for the bathroom for my tiny home. However, this package was a little bit on the smaller side, so I wasn't really sure what I got, but let's hope for the best. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so to follow my homesteading journey and the entire journey of me building my tiny home. Let's get into this package. These were really cute and they had a sale on them. I got each one for $5 and some change. So originally I wanted just one for the bathtub, but I decided to go with two so that the shower head would match. And the way that I'm installing this, I want a simple, easy thing, so if anything goes wrong with the piping, I can easily fix that. Plus this will make the installation for the water in the bathroom super easy. So this is the reason why I went ahead and bought these. These are actually washing machine faucets, but you'll see exactly what got my attention, why I got these. So this was very heavyweight. I am not disappointed so far, and I thought they would be a little bit bigger, but they're perfect because it's not a big bathroom and I don't want the features of the bathroom to overpower it. And these are pretty good and they're good quality so far from what I feel, and I'm loving the design on it. So yeah, this was a good buy for $5 and some change. So overall I spent I think I spent $14 on this because the shipping was $2.99 and they were almost like $6. So this was a good deal. I had my eyes on them for a very long time and I had it in my cart. The price dropped, so I just went ahead and just got both of them. And for this, doing it this way, now I have the shower to match the bathtub pipes. I was gonna go ahead with the trendy black rain faucets, but then they would have been too long, so this would be perfect. And it has a little attachment on the nozzle area where you can add maybe one of the sprayer things on it. So this is me just checking to make sure that the other one is the same thing and everything is well with that one as well. Okay guys, so for $14 this was not bad at all. I highly recommend, and if you want to see what I do with these and how I install them and the final look, how they look in my bathroom, subscribe to the channel to follow my journey. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye.